I'm literally what is this? Why do we have this? What nurse brought this in here? Why do we have...
Hi there, beautiful people. Tim Lee, Legacy Studio. Before we start our video today, you know that we love to take care of the people that take care of us, specifically our members. Big thanks to Sean Hammond and Tony Allen, my Legacy historians. They've been with me for literally years. Incredible people. My Vanguard historian, Charles Sutherland, and my Early Access historians, John Evans, and Drawing Illustrations and Art. Deeply appreciate all of these people for supporting at each and every tier, literally for years. I love you guys. Thank you so very much. In saying that, folks, I asked you guys, did you want a part 2? And we went ahead and made it. Now, after giving it some thought, I kind of felt like the first one was a little overdone. We don't want to get in trouble with YouTube, and I certainly don't want to scare people away with big, crazy sound effects and things like that. So I asked Emmett to tone it down just a little bit. He seemed slightly bemused, not entirely sure why, but we're going to watch it. I haven't seen it yet. I'm going to watch it with you right now. So let's go ahead and get into this and see what he created. I trust him. He's usually pretty good at this stuff. Not bad for a snake. All right, let's see what happens. Here we go.
I'm going to try again now that we have a little bit more of a clue of what not to do. He's okay right now. So we start by opening up the chest. And this time, I know what to grab. How do you grab? I mean, like, I'm grabbing at this. I'm so sorry. I don't like that this thing is... I mean, this thing's probably slicing me while I'm doing it, too. So I grab it. Okay. I'm so sorry about your arm. I'm so sorry. Okay. Here we go. Hang in there for me, sir. Oh, it's cauterizing. Oh, that's good. It's cauterizing. That makes so much more sense. Oh, that makes so much more sense. I think I just cut open his armpit. Okay, don't worry. We'll take care of you, sir. I'm sorry. Okay, we're open, right? Aren't we open? I mean, like, your chest cavity's, like, completely open. And, yeah, right? Okay, well, I got it, right? Now what? I mean, he's not bleeding at all. Magical. But how do I get it off? Probably not the way to do it. I'm clueless. I am... Oh, wait a minute. I think... Oh, my Lance. We're not using this, I promise. Stay down. Oh, goodness. Please get back up here. I need you. I feel like this is like a moving... Oh, no. Go away. This one. This thing. This thing. You get on in my hand. Thank you. Okay. I think this will help move... the skin. It's not moving the skin. It's not moving the... Sir, I need you to stay down. I need you to, like, just give me the skin. I can't get the... Oh, can I grab in there? Oh, come on. Give me the skin. Give me the skin. No. That's not working. Okay. I'm literally what is this? Why do we have this? What nurse brought this in here? Why do we have... I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Don't touch him. Oh, son of a gun. No. Come on back. Come on. You got this. Come on. Okay. Hurry up. Charge up. Oh. I mean, come on. Don't be that way. Oh, come on. It's not working. I mean, seriously, it's not working. It's not. I'm doing this. I guess what's the... Give me this. What? Okay. Okay. You're gonna stay right there, and I'm gonna get back to fit. What does this do? I don't think that's what I need. I just don't understand. I mean, am I like supposed to just take all your skin off? I feel like I'm supposed to, I mean, like, can't you just... Why do I feel like I'm doing a workout right now? I mean, like, literally, look at this. My fingers will sort of go, you see, look. Wow, that's a broken finger, like a really broken finger. This is kind of like a cool arm. I mean, I kind of like how it looks. I prefer my real tattoo in real life, but all the same, it's not too... Am I just going to cauterize this whole thing open? I mean, like, is that what I'm going to do? Because I'm going to try and, like, perfectly go... Okay. Where do you put this? Where do we put this? I don't understand what you do with this. I'm gonna set it here, please. Don't. Or am I supposed to put it in there? I mean, like it's his chest. I don't know. Oh no, I forgot about this. His heart's way in there. I'm gonna have to cut away the... Where'd my thumb go? Oh, I gotta look at my thumb. It's... Oh, what a... That's a problem. I think I had a problem, sir. I have a medical emergency of my own, and I need to go and find a doctor, because I don't know where a doctor is. I know the hammer's there, and I've seen people crack this, but I think it would make more sense to cut it with this thing. And my thumb isn't gonna reach it to turn. Oh. I'm trying. Okay. This is the only thing I can think to do. Please don't die. Okay, we're gonna run out of time super fast here. So... Okay. No, sir. Give me your chest. Don't give me the pump. Give me your chest. Give me your chestises. Okay, can I break these away? Good. But here's the thing. Can I grab it so that it doesn't fall on the organs? Because I just, like, totally... Okay, no, that's fine. That's fine. That's not fine. I don't know what's bleeding, but it's not my fault. Oh, can I trade hands? Okay. I feel like this is like sacrilege. Oh, I have my thumb back. No. I literally tried to guard my body. Okay. Oh my. Can I grab? No. Just rip it out. Just rip it out. Rip. No, wait. No, where's the, give me that. Oh, how did I grab that so fast? Just give me, oh, do I have to cut that? I have to cut that with the scalpel thing. Can I two-hand it? I'm gonna cut that. I'm gonna cut, oh no. I'm still gonna, yes. Okay, put that down. Come here, lungs. Those might be important. Okay, and the heart. I gotta cut everything on the. Where's the you?
Oh, that might get us banned from YouTube. Emmett. Great edit, I guess. Do you think you might have overdone it just a tiny bit? Okay. We'll upload it and see what everyone thinks about it, and if they like it, they can let us know. You let us know. Would you let us know by saying I want more? That way he knows that there's a lot of work cut out for him. And if no one does, I'm gonna have second thoughts about keeping you around here. Well, I know you didn't want to do it, but it's what I pay you to do. Well, yeah, because the doctor said that rats were good for you, and I can't find any around here because we actually kind of keep the house clean. So, frozen's all I can find. I don't like giving them to you. It's gross. I don't know what your problem is. It's more gross for me than it is for you. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Keep it crispy. First Tim 412. We love you. God bless you. See you next time. And yeah, if you enjoyed that, please let us know so I know what more work to give to edit Emmett so I don't have to edit it. I'm so glad I didn't have to edit it. Okay. Bye.